Today's self-care tip number 8 is all about the breath. Oh, my friend, the mind follows the breath and the breath follows the mind. So I want to give you a quick, simple breathwork technique that you can use to reset your nervous system, because the truth is most people don't know how to breathe properly, or they've gotten into bad habits. For people who are anxious, they tend to breathe really shallowly. So they breathe very high up in their lungs. They're using their shoulders to draw the air in and release the air, when in fact they should be using the diaphragm, because this shallow breathing disrupts our system, takes us into the sympathetic nervous system, which is the fight, flight, or freeze. We're changing the gases in our system, oxygen, carbon dioxide. We don't need to go into the science of it, but just know that the breath will help to regulate the nervous system. So this breathwork technique that I want to teach you today is about really working the diaphragm muscle, because the diaphragm, when it contracts, it draws air into the lungs, and when it relaxes, it releases the air. So the easiest way to do that is to breathe down into your belly, and you can put your hand on your belly when you do it. And you want to breathe all the way down to the belly. It's a nice deep breath, and then focus on the exhale, relaxing the shoulders. So the breath work technique is what I call progressive into box breathing. So let me explain that. When you are stressed out and you're kind of anxious, you're breathing pretty quickly. So progressive breathing helps you to slow the breath down. So it goes like this. You breathe in for 1 and out for 2. In for 2 and then out for 3. In for 3 and then out for 4. In for 4 and out for 5. And then at 5, you're going to box breathe, which is in for 5 and then out for 5. Okay? Perfect. I'm going to have you practice that because I don't have a lot of time here in this little video. But again, progressive breathing. So it's in for 1, out for 2, in for 2, out for 3, in for 3, out for 4, in for 4, out for 5, and then 5 and 5 box breathing. Set your timer for a couple minutes. Practice that whenever you feel triggered or emotionally stressed out or even tired. Bring the breath in, work the diaphragm, put your hand on your belly, take those nice deep breaths and notice the difference. That's today's tip. Thanks for watching. Before you go, I want to make sure that you know about this special page I created where I've collected all my self-care tips and organized them in one easy peasy place for you in order to save you even more precious time, because, dear mama, your time is a non-renewable resource. This special option is called Full Calendar Access. And for moms who actually join Full Calendar Access on the 25th, they're going to get some extra special bonus gifties. So check out the link below, take a look at it, and I appreciate it. Take care. See you tomorrow.